Hello, my name is Emmanuel. I'm a contractor with Sunny Day Roofing. I'm at 1519 West Robin Hood Drive, here helping Mrs. Berry Gathers out. As you can see, if you want to get closer real quick, this is a damaged 3-tab shingle. You can see the wind creases right here. It's just literally seal's completely broken. Seal on this one, still tight. You see that? My job is to replace this shingle. I'm gonna have to lift these to expose the nailing strips, so on and so forth. The goal is to not lift that above 70 or 45 degrees. Matt, if you want to stand right over there, just so they can see the angle in which I lift up these shingles. All right, came up. All right. Perfect. Perfect, there we go. All right, you see this tool stops me from lifting it above 45. I need to identify where the nails are, right there. Perfect, easy. Boom. Whoa, that's not popping up. This is just going right through the nails. It's crazy. Alright. Alright, as you can see, the nails are now, these are all loose. I'm gonna have to pull the nails out after I take the shingle out, as to not cause further damage. But it's also nailed up here, so I have to expose this nailing strip above here to see where the nails are. There's one right there, so I gotta get under this shingle and pop that nail up in order to expose the nailing strip. There we go. First one that gave. All these nails are completely rusted through. If you want to take a look at this. All right, so if you look right here, these nails are completely rusted through right here. Literally just popping out. I'm gonna, as you can see, this is the wind creased one. I'm gonna drop this on the side right here, and then we're gonna proceed with the rest of this repair. First things first, I have to take out the pre-existing nails out of here, or else it's just gonna lead to a nightmare in the future. You can't leave nails already in the roof beforehand. Easy does it. Over here. Perfect. And then, where is this at? Right here. All right, get this out of here. Okay. Looks like a completely different shingle. All right, we're getting caught up on something on this side. Just go one at a time. Shouldn't be going that far up. All right, perfect. Now, if you want to come in here, just to, looks like there's a nail right here. Pops up. Or something. There it is. There we go. Alright. That's crazy. Alright. If you want to just zoom in on this, like, as you can see, there's a tear in the shingle. Minimum effort. Look at that. You see all those granules falling off as I barely lift it, not even close to above 90 degrees. The granules popping out. I'm gonna continue with my repair attempt. But I can already see this roof is beyond what anyone would call repairable. So I go proceed to lift this up, go right on the nailing strip. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Last but not least, one right here on the end. Perfect. Now I'm going to take this chalk. I'm going to re-outline the shingle that I just did. I won't touch it. I'm just going to blow because that's what the wind does. And then can you bring that camera back here just so they can see it? You see those crease marks forming at the very top of this shingle? If you look very closely, like right here where I'm putting that, there's a hole right here in the matting. Boom. Hole in the matting. You can see the fiberglass popping through. There's creases right over here. If I look at the very top of this one, we've got the same thing going on. The shingles are just too old to be repaired. Like, what is that? There's another rip right there. There's a tear in the side right there. Look in the corner right there. And this is minimal handling of these shingles. I would like to know what you guys would want us to do in moving forward with the repairing of the rest of this roof. Because every single, what is this? Hold on, zoom in on that. Every shingle we do up here is going to have that. Even if you gave us an extra hour of time to work on this roof, it would just be ridiculous. And we're not doing the homeowners justice because that shingle will not mat down. So now I have to take caulking and make sure it stays down as to not have it leak. So I would just like to know how you guys want us to move forward. Thank you. Have a great day.